Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into Garmin's latest powerhouse, the Garmin Tactix 8, which has officially landed. The Tactix series has long been Garmin's elite, military-grade smartwatch, blending the robust feature set of the Garmin Fenix lineup with highly specialized tactical enhancements. If you've been waiting for an upgraded version with cutting-edge improvements, your wait is over. This high-performance GPS smartwatch is here, bringing a blend of premium build, superior navigation, and next-level tactical capabilities. Garmin Tactix 8. A new era of tactical smartwatches. Garmin has officially launched the Tactix 8, confirming previous leaks and speculation. Initially, many believed this smartwatch would debut in January, but the official release date is set for February 21st, and pre-orders have already begun. So let's analyze what makes this new tactical smartwatch stand out from the crowd, and whether it lives up to the legendary reputation of the Tactix series. What is the Garmin Tactix 8? For those unfamiliar with Garmin's Tactix series, think of it as a military-grade version of the Garmin Fenix 8. It retains all the core functionalities of the Garmin Fenix but includes additional tactical features designed for professionals in law enforcement, military personnel, adventure seekers, and outdoor enthusiasts. If you already know the Fenix 8 and Tactix 7, you might assume this is just another iteration, but Garmin has added some significant new upgrades. Garmin Tactix 8 variants and pricing. The Tactix 8 lineup includes multiple models catering to different needs. Here's a breakdown. 47mm OLED model. $1,299. Features a sapphire lens, titanium bezel, and a crisp AMOLED display. No solar MIP version is available in this size. 51mm OLED or solar model. $1,399. Larger screen and extended battery life. Available in both AMOLED and solar MIP versions. 51mm Solar AB Elite Edition. $1,599. Top-tier applied ballistic software for precision shooters. Supports custom drag curves and long-range shooting calculations up to 5,500 yards. These prices place the Garmin Tactix 8 at the high end of Garmin's premium smartwatch lineup, making it one of the most feature-rich and rugged tactical watches on the market. Build quality and design enhancements. The Tactix 8 boasts a premium, rugged design with an ultra-durable titanium case, sapphire crystal display, and high-contrast OLED screen. The signature Tactix bezel remains, and Garmin has improved the button texture for better grip, ensuring easier operation in extreme conditions. The watch also retains Garmin's quick-fit watch bands, allowing users to swap straps effortlessly for different activities. New and improved battery life. Battery performance is crucial for tactical and outdoor use, and the Tactix 8 delivers impressive endurance. 47mm OLED model. Up to 16 days in smartwatch mode. 51mm OLED model. Up to 21 days in smartwatch mode. 51mm solar MIP model. Up to 30 days without solar assistance, and up to 48 days with regular sun exposure. These numbers mirror the Garmin Fenix 8, ensuring you get long-lasting performance even in extreme environments. Garmin Tactix 8 features. What's new? The Tactix 8 is packed with advanced technology designed for extreme conditions. Here are its standout features. New tactical enhancements. Applied ballistic solver. Perfect for long-range shooters, offering real-time ballistic calculations. Stealth mode. Disables GPS tracking and wireless connectivity for covert operations. Aviation navigation. Pilots can use direct-to-navigation for quick routes to aviation waypoints. Projected waypoints. Allows users to set specific geo-coordinates for navigation. Night vision mode. Enables dimmed screen readability with night vision goggles. LED flashlight and improved UI. Garmin's signature LED flashlight has become a key feature in recent models, providing hands-free illumination. The Tactix 8 features an improved UI that's more user-friendly, along with the latest Garmin software enhancements. New Rucking Activity Profile. One of the most exciting additions is the Rucking Activity Profile, allowing users to track weighted hikes. This feature has been long awaited by military personnel, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts. Final thoughts. Is the Garmin Tactix 8 worth it? So, is the Garmin Tactix 8 the ultimate tactical smartwatch? It depends on your needs. If you require advanced tactical features, the Tactix 8 is unmatched. However, if you don't need ballistics calculators, stealth mode, or night vision, the Fenix 8 might be a more budget-friendly alternative. At the end of the day, the Garmin Tactix 8 delivers exactly what it promises. An elite tactical smartwatch built for extreme conditions. But does it bring enough new features to justify an upgrade? That's where your personal needs come into play. Let me know in the comments. Is the Garmin Tactix 8 a hit or a miss for you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech updates. Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone, and see you in the next one.